Strobe photographers are in for a treat with Profoto's announcement of Mark II versions of some of their popular OCF modifiers, including a completely redesigned collapsible snoot, barn doors, and a magnetic grid and gel kit. If you've ever shot with Profoto lights, then you're probably familiar with their lineup of OCF light shaping modifiers for their B1X, B10, and B10 Plus lights. These tools are integral in helping you control the light from your flash heads. With the upgrades in the OCF 2 versions, these modifiers just got easier to use. First up are the barn doors. The updated version features an integrated magnetic mount for easily adding a color gel and grid to the light, while still being able to flag off spill with the doors. The doors rotate 360 degrees while attached to the light and can be folded down compactly for storage. They mount to the light using a rubber collar and metal clasp. Next up is the completely redesigned snoot. It's now fully rubberized and collapsible to make for a much easier storage. When stored away, the Mark II snoot takes up less than half the space of the original Mark I snoot. The redesign also allows for the snoot to be mounted on top of the grid and gel holder kit. It is now much easier to achieve a circular beam of light that has been modified with stackable gels or grids. The new grid and gel kit mounts directly onto the light using a rubber collar and metal clasp. The biggest improvement here is that all of the grids and color gels are now magnetic. They can easily snap into place and can be stacked together quickly. This is a vast time saver over the Mark I version of the gel kit, which required each gel to be manually swapped from its holder before being placed in front of the light. The kit comes with the mount, a 20-degree grid, a full CTO gel, and a half CTO gel. It can be combined and mounted along with the Mark II barn doors or Mark II snoot. Additional grids in the Mark II lineup include a 10-degree grid and a 30-degree grid. The new color gels come in 12 variants, including 3 levels of CTO, CTB, and 8 unique colors. They are all magnetic and can be stacked together. Another useful tool in the new OCF lineup is the gel ring. It can be used to create your own custom gel from any standard sheet of gel. Just trace the inner magnetic ring over the gel you want to use, cut it out, and place it between the two pieces. This is a great way to keep expanding your gel collection and be able to stack colors for combined effects. Lastly, if you have other OCF modifiers that utilize the OCF speed ring, such as the softbox, then you can mount it directly on top of the grid and gel holder to quickly soften up your gelled light. What types of images do you plan on making with these new OCF modifiers? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to see more videos like this one.